So let's talk about the distributive property and what that means to distribute when it comes to multiplication. It comes to just in general in real numbers. So with distributive property, think about like you're distributing something. Imagine yourself being at a warehouse or something and you're distributing something to a certain group of people. You're putting it in certain bins. That's what helps me think about it. That may be a way to think about it. Well, the distributive property says that if you have A times B plus C, so you have B plus C and you multiply A times that, it's the exact same thing as you have A times B plus A times C. That's exactly what it's saying. If you take a look at that example there, we have 7 plus 6 in parentheses and we have times 9. So 9 times 7 plus 6. Well, we know 7 plus 6 is 13, right? So if I do 9 times 13, I'm going to get 117. But I could also, what I also might want to do, I might want to look at and break that down. I could do 9 times 7, which is going to give me 63, and then add 9 times 6, which is going to be 54. And that's still going to give me 117. I'm going to get the exact same answer no matter what. So let's take a look at an example, a problem with respect to that, to see how we can break it down. Another way of breaking it down. So let's say I have 400 times 8.5. What does that break down to? Well, 8.5 will break down to 8 plus 0.5. That's what that will be. So I'm multiplying 400 times that, right? So if I take the 400 and I distribute it to the 8 first, I'm going to get 3,200. And then 400 times 0.5, I know that 400, half of 400 is 200. And the answer is going to be 3,400. That's going to be the answer. So that's give you an example of how you can use the distributive property to go to both the 8 and to both the 5 and be able to get the exact same answer. So hopefully that's helpful. If you need to rewind this, take a look back this again, take a look at the previous couple seconds ago, or look at that slide, and hopefully this helps you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.